Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing myself, my name is Aditya Nanta Mahdi and I'm from Nautica Level 2. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get the pathway part?
Yes, from this way, go straight ahead and turn left at traffic light. Then go straight ahead for 2 kilometers and you will see it in your right.
Thanks, I've only been in town for a few days, so I really don't know my way around yet.
Oh, I know how you feel. We moved here years ago and I still don't know what everything is. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get the Pakui Park?
Yes, from this way, go straight ahead and turn left at traffic light. Then go straight ahead for 2 kilometers and you will see it on your right.
Thanks. I've only been in town of 5 days, so I really don't know my way around yet.
Oh, I know how you feel. We moved here a year ago and I still don't know where everything is.